Losing weight without exercise can be challenging, but it's possible by making some changes in your diet and lifestyle. Here are some tips. Eat a healthy, balanced diet. Focus on eating whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and snacks that are high in calories and low in nutrients. Control portion sizes. Use smaller plates and avoid eating until you are full. Eat slowly and mindfully, taking time to savor your food. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water can help you feel full, and it can also improve your digestion and metabolism. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain, so make sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Reduce stress. Stress can lead to overeating, so try to find ways to manage stress such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcoholic drinks are high in calories, so try to limit your intake or avoid it altogether.
Remember that sustainable